Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change our tail lamp. You can see got that dent right here, and they want to change the tail lamp because the tail lamp catching water, but I guess they don't really care about this part of the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the trunk, and when we open the trunk, it's gonna be right here. You have 10mm here, 10mm right there. So we need to take out those two 10mm, and once we take out those two 10mm, the tail lamp is ready to come out. So I'm gonna go get them tools. So normally guys, we need to take this off, but I don't know what happened here. I don't know if it got hit in the back or somebody damaged the cover, but I don't know why it's so loose. So we have our 10mm right here. So you can use a 10mm wrench, and also this with a ratchet handle. Whatever way you have to take it off, you can use that way to take it off. And you can use that way to take it off. So alright, we got these out. So now there's another part that's hooked right here. So right here I have a hook there. We gotta try to take that off. So we can try to hold it and pull it out first. You can see the water in it. If that don't work, you might have to get something underneath here that's not gonna damage the paint also. Try this way first. Yo. So that's how I do it. I ratchet this out. So I pull the back out as much as I can first, and then I get my finger underneath here and pull the front to the side. So the front of the light, I pull it away from the car, so I'll pull it outwards. And this one, I will pull the car like this. I pull it this way, the opposite way of where the screws are pointing. That's where I pull the back from. Wiggle it around so the screw can pass in the hole. And once that's done, you can remove your tail lamp and unplug it. So actually this is the plug. You just want to squeeze this right here and pull back on it. So I know some of you guys always ask why I change the light, because you don't really see anything, but if you look, you can see the crack right here, and you can see a lot of water in the light, and that's gonna cause your LED not to work. Therefore you won't have a brake light, and that's gonna get you a ticket. So that's that. Let's get back to the installation for another one. So guys, we have another one right here. You can go ahead and plug it in. So we're gonna plug it in. Make sure this tab right here goes in here. Put this back right here. Alright, so all we gotta do is snug these 10mm. You don't have to over tighten them. You can just snug them up a little bit and that will be good. So this is have variable speed, so not because I use this that doesn't mean I tighten it that hard. The next thing I'm gonna do is get this. So once we tighten that up, that's it. We're gonna check the brake light, make sure it works. Let me hit unlock. Alright, so you can see it work. Alright, so that's it for this one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.